Okay.
All right, YouTube. All right, so we're back at our same spot as yesterday. We weren't planning on coming back here, but when we woke up this morning and at sunrise, I realized something, that I left something here, and that's why we're back, because I left my GoPro mount and it's still here. Woohoo! So might as well fish for a few minutes here. Luke, we're continuing this day 2 of our live bait. Luke with the live bait, Daddy with the artificial challenge, and I think I'm gonna come back today. What do you think, Luke?
Ooh, big peacock. I can't talk right now, dude.
All right, let's get to it. Let me get Luke on a bait. So Luke's got the shiners again. We just went and picked up Luke a couple dozen shiners, and Dad's changing it up. I got this thing. This thing works good. This is a crappie jig. A crappie jig. And they love these things. And Daddy's about to whack me a couple of peacocks here. Let's see. So we're continuing from yesterday. At the moment, Luke's got, I think, 9. And Dad has got 1.
No,
and I'm about
10.
to...
Ooh,
I see him. I see him. I see him. And Daddy's about to get another one. Watch out. He doesn't want that live bait. He wants this peacock. He wants this crappie jig right here. Oh, that's a big peacock. All right. Luke, oh, with
11! Let's go 11!
All right.
10 doing the best.
All right. All right.
Let's go.
Let's
I
go.
will catch another one. He just absolutely shoved that bait.
He did. Oh, okay. Let's
Ooh, he
get...
broke him off.
Let's get your hook back. Oh.
Okay. How do you do that?
2 for Daddy. 2. I'm celebrating. Luke's got 11. Okay, you're going home. You're going home. Hold on, don't hill him all the way up. All right.
Oh, he came up.
Oh, that's okay. Good release. Good release. Good. Hey, that's what we're doing anyway. We're releasing them. Nice one. How many is that?
12.
Morning, we got the GoPro mount that we left yesterday, so that's awesome. Come on, pal.
That's fine.
And we caught a couple more peacocks. So Luke is up 12 to 2. All right, we're going to the next spot. I think Daddy's coming back. See you guys in a minute. Watch out for snakes, Luke.
Yeah. And you can't just leave it that way. Got him. It's a big bait. Big bait for a big bass. A peacock.
All right, guys. This is spot number 2.
It's so big.
Be quiet, because it's early and people are sleeping. Let's see, Luke's up 12 to 2. Let's see what happens.
Come on. I'm on. I'm on. Peacock on you guys. Peacock on you.
Oh, oh, no, no, oh, easy, easy. There you go. Good.
13 maybe.
13 for Luke.
On the big one.
Bring it to me. All right, hold on to your rock.
Let's go, guys.
All right, get him in the water.
Take one. That didn't go. Woo! Bass took him. Big bass.
See that?
Bass. Set.
Yep.
Oh, it broke me off. That was a beast. Oh, I'm gonna hook him again.
Might be too cold for him or something. I'm not seeing him.
Really? I got one on. Hug now.
Get him up. Quiet. Oh no. Tighten that up. Bring him up. If he's not on the bank, he doesn't count. Nice largemouth.
Look at the size
Hold
of
this
that
one. Go ahead.
thing.
Here, let me get the hook on.
Guys. Oh. Heck. I'm hooked.
Let him go. Go ahead. See you, buddy. Good one.
Sit down. Guys. Oh yeah.
What is that?
Number 15, peacock bass.
15.
To 2. Ooh, this thing's a
Hold on, I got you. You don't
thing's
need...
a fat boy.
Hold on.
Big boy. This time
Hold
you
on.
get in my beat. Oh. I knew something was chasing him. And he got pounded.
Okay. Number 15 for Luke. Nice peacock.
Oh, he's big.
Let him slide in there.
So big. So big. He's big. He's big, my friend. Okay, go.
Let him get it. Let him eat it.
That was sick.
Oh, happy out. That big bass is sitting right there.
Oh, bass.
I don't know if he'll eat again.
Got you this time. Got you this time.
Watch that hook. Nice bass. Nice bass. All right, put him in there. No. Gently.
That's why we do it.
Nice one. Wow. Easy on him. You only got 12 pounds. Easy now. You only got 12 pounds. Ooh, there's a couple with them.
No, no, no.
Get him in the bank then. Easy. Doesn't count until he's on the bank. Oh, double. Double. Luke, Luke, Luke. All right. Double. All right, I think that's 4 for Daddy. Nice, nice big peacock bass. Luke. Double. Hold him up, Luke.
Oh, big boy. Okay, let's get another one.
Look at that nice male. That show him, see what the male looks like with that big hump on his
So
head.
soft. Feels like ice cream.
Beautiful.
Fatty.
Big peacock. How many is that for you, Luke? Nice. All right, we got to go back towards the front, baby.
Fish on. Ooh, big female.
Yeah, little baby, but that still makes 20.
No, 24 now.
Oh,
Say that.
all right. Bring them on up. Is there any other ones with them?
I'm seeing that.
All right, guys, that's it for our live bait challenge. I had to throw in the towel. I couldn't take any more. Total score was 25 to 3.
I got 25.
We got to fish for an hour and a half this morning, including moving spots, but it was a blowout. Luke wins. Live bait wins 25 to 3. Now, I never got outfished so bad in my life, but I think if we didn't have the live bait, I would have caught more fish. And plus, in my defense, I was unhooking Luke's fish 90% of the time. I didn't even have time to fish because he kept flipping fish faster than I could get a bait out there. So 25 to 3, Luke wins the Peacock Challenge. All right? 25 to 3, that's right. All right, see you on the next one, YouTube. That was a bad intro?
So bad.
You want to do it again?